So far we have just worked with the layout, with the number format of the days. However, there are functions to find really the year or the number of the month. So just important, if you have the number format and you get, for example, for November the 11 is shown, then in the background the complete number of the date is still stored. If you would really like to get the 11, you have to work with the functions. And these functions are actually quite easy. So if you would like to get from the date above the year, you simply can go with the function year. You have to enter a number, which in this case is the same as a date, and you get this number of the year. Same for month, so quite easy, and same for day. When it comes to weekday, we have a similar function, and the first parameter is again the date. However, the second parameter is a number. And here it's now important, you get a number back, and the question is, how is the week numbered through? Should you start counting by Monday or by Sunday, and should you start counting with 0 or with 1? Depending on your second parameter, you can, for example, enter a 2 in here and you get this 5. If you would like to have a Thursday, Friday instead, you have to, on top, implement a small table and use VLOOKUP to then get the names, the name of the weekday instead of the number of the weekday. Similar, we have week num, and again we enter a date, and again we have to enter a second return type. The question is always, when we start counting the week, which is the first week within a year? Typically it's the one which is the first week which has at least 4 days in the new year. And depending on which day is the day to start counting the days of the week, either Sunday or Monday typically, of course this could change. In Germany we take the Monday as the first day of a week, and accordingly we come to week number 11. There is no real function for the quarter. This you have to implement by yourself. You can, for example, say round up and then divide the number of month by 3. And again we have to enter a second parameter, number of digits. If we say 0, it is just rounded to these to the first digit before the dot. So if we change in here, we say, for example, 13th of October, you can see all numbers change, and of course the quarter is correct. It's now quarter number 4.